going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Today we are celebrating the beginning of festival season. Music festival fashion has blown up so much in the past couple of years, so I thought, why not try out some face paint artwork on yourself? So that's what today's video is all about. We're going to be doing a tutorial from some art that I found on Pinterest. This picture here, which I put up right here, I thought this was pretty cool. This is different, it's not too much, it's not too little, and for those of you that actually have been to music festivals before, especially of the EDM genre, you know that the fashion, the trends, and it's just, people dress kind of crazy. And it's pretty fun. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna be showing you guys my version of this picture and we're gonna go from there. The goal is to recreate that picture, but just kind of do your own twist on it. I'm not going to like try to get professional with this because who am I? Not professional. The tools we're using today is a black eyeliner and a white eyeliner. Very simple, cheap. Yeah, I'm ready to get weird and get started, so keep on watching. In honor of music festivals, I am wearing the Electric Zoo shirts. This is a music festival in New York City and it is amazing. It's a great time, great experience. The stages are phenomenal and it's dedicated to electric dance music. EDM, yes. So the vibes there and everything is just to die for. There's so many other festivals out there aside from Coachella, which is like the most famous one. No matter where you're at in the US, there's honestly like a festival in almost every single state. So definitely recommend doing your research. Guys, that is it for this look. This is very quick, simple. If I can do it, you guys can do it. I've used black and white eyeliner, and also I recommend to spray your face with like a setting spray once you're done because you're gonna sweat when you're at a music festival. Or if you're just gonna wear this to like the mall or something. I have to say this was a little bit more difficult than I thought, but overall, I mean, it's not too bad. This isn't the only look that I want to do. I actually found other stuff that I kind of want to interpret as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing other like face paint ideas, then of course give this video a thumbs up. But that was it for this video. I know this was like a short one and a weird one, but I had fun doing a tutorial on festival face paint. And if you're not, please subscribe to my channel because that's much appreciated and goes a long way. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.